lot of problem. I was very weak in maths and I used to hate my maths teacher. This morning when I woke up, the name of my maths teacher is Pritham sir actually. So I called him up and said, sir, I am very, very sorry. I've done a huge mistake in my life. I regret now that I did not practice maths. He said, son, you have realized your mistake. This is very important. And what makes me proud is that you are a teacher now, so convey this message and tell your student not to make such mistakes. So make sure you will have to give importance to each and every subject. And you will also have to make sure that your relationship with your teacher shall not be affected by his behavior, shall not be affected by the subject. Because if you wish me happy Teachers Day today and say, sir, you are the best teacher in my life, and tomorrow you wake up in the morning and say, Jahangir sir and teacher, both so bad teacher. Then my purpose as a teacher is not fulfilled, and your purpose as a student is also not fulfilled. Principal sir invoked the story of Les Brown. I also listened to Les Brown, very motivational speaker. Now Les Brown was a mentally retarded student. He was an autostatic one. Usko kuch samajh mein nahi aata tha class mein. So one day his teacher called him and said, son, people call you mentally retarded, but let me tell you one thing, and listen this very carefully. Many of the students here, you want to become doctors, engineers, scientists, and many of you want to become pilot who want to fly airplane in your life. There will be people coming up to you and say, tumse nahi ho paega. Let me tell you one thing straight. Hold on to your dream. Bite your dream so hard that it becomes a reality. If somebody says you cannot do anything, don't listen to them. Somebody's opinion on you does not have to become your reality. And I say this often, if your dream does not push you to the brink of insanity, you better stop sleeping, you better stop dreaming. और अगर इतना दम है तो बोलो कि जो सपना मैंने देखा है वो हर हालत में मैं उसको पूरा करूंगा चाहे कुछ भी हो. And to all my dear girl students, let me tell you one thing, डरना नहीं है, आराम से पढ़ो, जितना हो सके करो. Never give up. Baba Saheb Ambedkar हमेशा कहते थे, if a woman gives up, if a man gives up, a family dies, but a woman gives up, entire society dies. So the burden of holding the society is upon you, beta. कभी भी नहीं डरना है. Hold on to your dream and fight for it, no matter what happens. और अगर कभी कोई problem हो जाए, come to me, I am there. And then I would like to end my speech with a very emotional part. You know what happens? My teacher will understand. A lot of students come and go in our life, but we remember them all. But sometimes, you know what happens? Our students forget us, and it happens eventually, right, teachers? And it hurts us a lot. इसीलिए एक शायर कहता है कि यूं तो भूले हैं हमें लोग पहले भी बहुत से, मगर तुम जितना उसमें से कभी कोई याद नहीं आया. हमको सब भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन हमको याद रहता. Oh, this is the student who does this. This was the student जो क्लास में बहुत कम आता था. This was the student जो मुझे गाली बहुत देता था, but I love him a lot. It doesn't matter whether you like your teacher or not, but let me tell you, your teacher will always have a special place in their heart. If you don't like me, don't worry. I love you so much. You are one of the most crucial part of my life. And I love you so much, guys, that I want all of you to be very successful in your life. But let me tell you one thing. Stop being lazy. Follow your dreams. Make a guideline for your life as to how you are going to live your life so that you can become a successful one. And to all my dear teachers, you all are doing a very great work. I know I have not been able to provide you as much as is required to maintain a very good teachership in the school, but let me tell you, in the coming of time, eventually we will help you out so much that you will be proud enough to say that I am a member of Eden's family. To all my dear students, thank you very much for this wonderful presentation, and to all my management, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this wonderful journey. Thank you all. I love you so much.